Welcome to the ultimate guide for anyone looking to snag a hosting or promo code and save big on their website journey. If you are thirsty for the absolute best deal on web hosting, you are in the perfect place. Most people search for a random coupon and only end up with a small 10% discount, but I am going to show you a much better way. By using my special partnership link found in the description and the pinned comment, you can unlock an exclusive 20% extra discount instead. This works for any plan, whether you need VPS, cloud hosting, or the powerful business web hosting plan that I use. One of the biggest secrets to saving money is choosing the 48-month duration. For example, if you buy a single year for about $41, your renewal price later could be around $95. But if you choose the 4-year option from the start, the total cost for the entire 4 years is only about $108. It is a no-brainer. Plus, with this long-term deal, you get a free domain and 3 extra months of hosting absolutely free. To make sure the deal works perfectly, always use a new email address that hasn't been registered with Hostinger before. Don't worry if you see different currencies in my examples. When you click your country-specific link in the description, the page will automatically show your local currency and language. Go ahead, check the links below and enjoy your massive Hostinger discount.